Yo, what's going on, everybody? So we got, I think this is all I'm gonna do. I might do a little small pieces like for here, stuff like this, fill in the gaps. But yeah, I think I'm done with the sound deadening material. I know there's a couple spots. It's not professional by any means, so don't laugh. But I think it's gonna help a lot. I feel like it'll help. And if it does work really well, I'm gonna get some for the headliner, well, for the roof and for the doors, which I still have right now. I still have like 5 or 6 sheets left. But I might use those to finish doing the rest of the floor. But right now, what I'm about to do is clean the carpets. Well, carpet slash rug. Carpet and rug, I guess you could say. Oh, look at all that stuff. These trucks have a lot of pieces on them. I can tell you that, especially for all the interior. There's a lot of stuff. But let me pause this video. I'm gonna get the carpet out and I'm gonna put it on this table over here. Hopefully this table is big enough to hold it. But yeah, let me get this out real quick and I'll pick the video back up and show you guys like a before and after cleaning the carpet. All right, fellas, we got it out and set up. I think this will be fine. The carpet honestly isn't that bad. I know there's a spot up here by the passenger door. And I'm really gonna clean this spot that had that water that was at the back and this here. But yeah, I mean, it's, for 17 years, I mean, this carpet is fairly clean. And I don't think he had it replaced ever. The guy, I don't remember him saying that he could have, I don't know. But yeah, let me get the pressure washer out. I'm actually gonna spray, I'm gonna get like some stuff for the cannon blaster. And I'm gonna spray that on there first and let it soak. And I might get my my drill out with, let me see if I still got one. Yeah. I'll get my drill out and hit it with this. And this usually gets a lot of the dirt and grime out. So if you don't have one, you plan on doing your carpet, cleaning it, run up to AutoZone. I'm sure they have like a 3-piece kit. I think that's where I got mine. Because this is what it was. I'm pretty sure I got this one. Yeah, here it is, 3-piece kit. And I'm almost 100% sure that comes from AutoZone. But yeah, so that's gonna be the before. And then the after will be right here. All right, we got it sprayed down. And I honestly think most of the stuff is gonna come out. I mean, some of it, it's just not gonna come out. I put the brush on it a couple times and it's 17 years old. So, I mean, you're gonna expect some kind of stains that aren't gonna come up. But for the most part, I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Hopefully this don't take 5 days to dry. I think I might leave this out overnight so I can get some good fresh air. Same thing with this thing. Look at this. Ugh. Yuck. I don't know what that is. Freaking syrup. Something. Look at that clean motor. But yeah. Now we just wait until this stuff gets dried. And as you know, I ordered the cab vents for this thing. And I don't know why Amazon, every time I order something, it puts my Amazon credit card as the thing, and I haven't updated it, so it keeps saying that payment needs to be revised. And I didn't see it till, what was it, yesterday, Thursday afternoon. So now it's not going to be here till Sunday, which is fine. I mean, that'll get that stuff time to dry, as you can see, arriving Sunday. Hasn't even shipped yet, but you know, that's how things go. It is what it is. I don't think I'd have been able to get anything together anyways today. I mean, I thought I was gonna get done a little bit sooner than I did today, but I didn't get home till, what time is it? I got home about 35 minutes ago, so yeah. But I think as far as the cab being finished. I think it's done. I think I'm not gonna put anything else on it. I'll just save these sheets of the mat. I might use the rest of this one right here. But yeah, I mean, $60 and you can do the whole flooring on your cab, even a crew cab. If you had just a single cab or like a extended cab, I'm sure you'd have enough to do your floorboards and your roof and maybe your doors. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So that's probably gonna end this video. Probably gonna be the end of this video. And the next one will probably be getting ready to put stuff together, which that'll probably be tomorrow. Probably gonna start on it, get the carpets and stuff back in. I can go ahead and put the front seats in, but I'm not gonna touch the back seats until I get the cab vents in, because as you guys know, if any of you guys have a truck like this, the vents are way back here in the corner. And when you get this panel on right here, this pillar, the plastic for the pillar, it's basically covering all this right here, so you can't really see much. So I probably won't do the back seats until Sunday. So I might wait till Sunday to finish the videos up. Just do the rest of the stuff Sunday. Let this stuff set up and dry out. I need to clean that thing, but I don't know if that stuff is washable. Definitely needs to dry, so I'm gonna leave that out tonight as well. I'll probably put that in the back of the bed and then put the carpet in the bed of the OBS, because that bed's a little bit longer. I think this one's like 6.5 foot. So I'll put the carpet back here, maybe, if it's dry by then, because I got it a little bit wet with the pressure washer. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, this is gonna be part 3, and then we'll have one more part to this series, and that'll be it for the sound deadening material. And look at this, it's still leaking. Get off, bug. I might just order some clear headlights and screw these DRL. Let me know in the comments if any of you other guys have had issues with these kind of DRL headlights, with any of them leaking, because I've sealed this thing 4 times and it's not taking, which sucks, but it is what it is. That's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. Peace. Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm sure y'all can tell by the title of the video, we got everything put back together. The cab vents did come in today. Let me grab those real quick. So I went ahead yesterday and put everything back together. And I think the carpet cleaned up pretty good. I mean, for 17 years old, I got most of the stain out that was right here. I do need to scrub the mats a little bit, but as far as that goes, I mean, everything went back together. Cab vents are here, thank God. She's ready to go on a road trip now. She's mad here. But yeah, I mean, everything's back together like it's supposed to. I got to get some more fresheners for my cup holders back here. But everything's back in, subs are back in. I drove it to Fayetteville yesterday to get me some stuff for the truck. I got me a mount for my phone. What else did I get? I got me a smaller cord for my phone that I plug in right here. And I did reroute this because I did have it ran around here. But I drilled me a hole out, and I can actually push this in farther if I want to. But I just got me a little shorty from Best Buy. The way I put my phone on here, that way I don't have to have it just sitting here. But yeah, let's see what we got. I haven't even looked at these cab vents. I don't know if they're going to be any good. I know they're supposed to be the OEM replacements. I got them off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description just in case any of you other guys want to go grab your set. I think that should be fine. Look like it. I mean, the seal's definitely better. I don't know if that other one, I think I threw that other one in the barrel. I think it got burnt yesterday. Let me see if it's still over here. I think I burned it yesterday. Oh no, it's still here. Yeah, let me get it out real quick. This is the one that was originally on the truck. It is heavier. This one right here is heavier. The one that come out of the truck, so it's definitely, which that could be just because of this freaking, I don't know what this is actually. It's like a, might be silicone of some sort. I guess to help keep these down. But it might be to keep those down, because see, it don't fold up as high. So I might get me some glue and put on these. But yeah, they look the same, but you can see the rubber gasket that goes around this one compared to this one right here. I mean, this one's just brittle. But yeah, it looks to be a direct replacement. All the grooves look the same. Right up there, let's see how this one looks. Yeah, cool deal. But yeah, what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna take my little glue gun that I got, and I'm gonna put some glue like this is, because these do open and close a little bit easier. The plastic flap don't feel as heavy duty as this one, but that could just be because of the glue. You see, it don't allow it to open all the way. I might not do it. I might do it, who knows. But let me cut this truck off, because it's hard to talk over this thing. Pull that key out. But yeah, I did take it, you know, uptown around in Fayetteville yesterday, and I did notice a pretty big difference in the road noise in this thing. So I'm probably going to order some more of that stuff, and I'm going to take all the door panels off and line every door with that stuff. Because I don't know if you guys notice it in your trucks, but this driver door, there's something in this thing that rattles. And like if I push my thigh against the door right here while I'm driving, it stops making that noise. So I'm hoping maybe that sound deadening material will quieten this door all the way down. What else? Another thing I'm going to be doing real soon is I'm going to do that that transmission cooler, that True 40 or 40K, whatever it's called, just to help prolong the life of the old 4L60. Which this thing shifts fine, no issues with it at all. I just want to make sure we're good, you know, get all we can get out of this thing before it gets a stage 2 kit put in it, because I do want to do a stage 2 shift kit on this thing just to upgrade the internals and stuff and whatnot, because like I said, I'm not going to be running any stock size tires on this thing. It's going to be 35s or bigger, which this thing pulls just fine right now. And I tried to seal this headlight again. I found another little leaking spot in it, and it was fine yesterday. Woke up this morning, it's back fogged up, not fogged. So I'm gonna pull it off again. I'm gonna try it one more time. There's a guy on Marketplace on Facebook that has a set of just clears without the DRLs, all that extra stuff. He wants like 50 bucks for them. I might go grab those, because I'm getting tired of messing with this thing. Because I mean, you really can't tell it, but I know it's there, and if I know it's there, then it's a problem. But yeah, I'm gonna get these cab vents in, and that's gonna do it for this one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to reach it from underneath on both sides here, and how these things work is, where's it at? Yeah, you wanna go top first, and then push the bottom in. I'm not even gonna try to record it because it's gonna be too difficult. I mean, you can barely see it here. If I put the camera here, you're not gonna be able to see it either. I was gonna leave the seats out yesterday, but I'm like, you know what? I knew it was gonna rain today. It actually just got done raining. So I was like, you know, I don't want to mess with it tomorrow. So everything's back together, working like it should. And another thing I wanted to mention to you guys, there's a guy on Marketplace as well over in Fayetteville that has a set of the Escalade Platinum door panels with the chrome bezel that goes around the speaker cover. Debating about getting those. He wants $400 for them, which I kind of knew it would be expensive because those things are a rare find. But you know, if I do get them, all I want is the speaker covers. You know, I don't need the door panels because they're a different color, like an ugly brown color. They're like a darker brown than this here. So that's another thing I'm planning on the truck. There's just so much stuff I want to do to this thing right now, but I want to enjoy it, but I want to get it like I want it. I know I had a guy offer me $13,500 for it yesterday, but I can't part ways with this thing, man. It's like I said, I like driving this thing more than I like driving the new truck. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys have any questions or anything like that about how the interior come out or what you need to do it, just drop a comment in the comment section or message me on Instagram and I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. And another thing I want to say, I want to appreciate all you guys that tuned into that one video. It's got like almost 600 views in like 2 days, which is not a lot to a lot of people, but for a small channel like mine, that's crazy. So I just want to say thank you guys. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Peace.